I'm going to show you how to build a DR87 backlink to your website using AI. It is super simple and it's either free or it costs very little. If you're new here, hello, my name is Bruce. I've been doing SEO and digital marketing, affiliate marketing for over 10 years. I've helped small, medium, and large companies make more sales, get more customers by having their websites appear at the top of search engines. I love this stuff. I make these videos to try and help you out, and hopefully somebody can take some of these ideas and implement them into their own website and get more traffic. Okay, so what we're going to build today is on Claude AI, and it's going to be a DR87. You see this? This is my Ahrefs bar. And so I built this to my website, Determined Solutions. I don't build links to the website. I don't really do anything with the website, but I had to do something for to show you guys how this stuff works as a demonstration. So whatever. So here it is, DR87, and it's just an article, right? You can do all different types. You can tell the AI to do all different types of stuff with this. I just want one link to my website, and I do branded. You could do any type of link you want. You could do any type of anchor text, like you could say the best SEO agency or whatever. I'm not interested in that. I just want to keep it simple and do a branded link. And I will show you these do index in Google. Here it is right now. So I built this like 2 or 3 or 4 days ago, something like that. I'm not really sure. And so like right now, it's on page 3 for the search Determined Solutions SEO. It may move up. I'm not really sure. If I was going to build this to a website that I was trying to rank, I would build one of these and then I would build links to this, at least a few, just to power it up a little bit. Anyway, I'm going to show you how I did this. Where is it? It's fairly simple and straightforward, and you can get really complex with this stuff. I don't. But I'm going to show you how to make this and how to make it indexable and findable. So you go to Claude. I have the paid version, which I think is $20 a month. You can do, I don't know if you can do this with the free version or not. So if you can do it with a free version, that's awesome. If you can't, then you might have to pay $20 a month. But like for a DR87 website, or for a DR87 do follow link that you can build to a bunch of different websites, that's pretty cool. Now, one thing I will tell you is I would only build one of these to your domain. I would not build one to like each page you're trying to rank. That's just me, but I would just build one to your domain. I'd probably send it to the home page. That's what I would do. As you can see with mine, I wasn't trying to be fancy or anything. It's just straight up branded link. I would like it if this showed up somewhere in the brand search, which is currently on page like 3. So that's cool. That's all I need it to do. But anyway, so you're in Claude and you go over here to, it says new chat, chats, projects, artifacts. Click on artifacts. You're going to go new artifact. And I did apps and websites. There might be other things you can do. I don't know. I'm not real familiar with Claude, but this is what I did. Apps and websites. And then I've got, this is the prompt I use. I need a one-page website that is basically an article, the title of the article. You can come up with any title you want, right? But here's where the title, I mean, make it something relevant, right? Something that you kind of want to rank for. Like I wanted it to rank for my brand name, so I put the brand name in the title. You can vary the length of the content, and you can vary where you can change all this up. This is super simple. This is what I used, and I say the link should be a regular link. I do not want a no follow link. So this is a regular link, or Some people call it a do follow link. So basically, it will pass juice or power or whatever you want to call it. And I wanted the anchor text seamlessly incorporated into one of the sentences. And sometimes when you do this, Claude will build a menu links. It'll build a menu and footer links, and those links don't go anywhere, and they're weird, and I just didn't want that. So this is all I use. I'll drop this in the description below this video, and you can just, you know, I'll leave this stuff blank. But yeah, that's all I did. I dropped it right in here, and then Claude built it. Well, I guess I kind of need to show you how. Okay, so I'm going to show you this, but I just won't publish it. How about that? That's what I'll do, because I already got one of these. I don't want two of these links. So I'll go like this, paste. And as I have some coffee, it's building it. So it's asking me, just say yes, right? So it's like, hey, is this what you want to do? And just say yes. So it'll start building it. Look, it's building the website now. Now this is super simple. You can tell it to do all types of crazy complex stuff. I don't even bother with that. Let's see how long it takes. Maybe I'll just pause this. Right now we're at 23:10. Okay, that wasn't good. That wasn't a good timer thing. That was just the countdown of this. Whatever. It just took like a minute more. So here it is. This is the website. This is what it looks like. And I changed the title so it wouldn't be exactly the same as the one I've already published. Determined Solutions SEO SEO. I thought I said like tactics for getting more traffic. What did I say? SEO for getting more. Whatever. You'd want to pay a little bit more attention to your title, but this is just for demonstration purposes. So here's the link to my website, Determined Solutions. Here's the article. And yeah, that's it. And so what you do is you hit publish. When you hit publish, there'll be a button that says here's the link. And then what I do is I take it and I drop it in Speedy Index. I can leave a link below to Speedy Index as well. But yeah, that's it. And then this will index and hopefully rank on the internet. And if you are using this to try to help rank a website, then I would go ahead and build links to this. But yeah, that's it. I hope you found this helpful. If you did find this helpful, please give me a thumbs up. If you thought this was terrible, please give me a thumbs down so I can figure out how to do this better. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments or wherever you see this, and I will answer you. And if you would like to do a Zoom call with me or a video style call, I'll leave a link below to my Clarity. It's $1.67 a minute. We could talk about SEO, conversions, digital marketing, whatever you want, if you are interested. And if not, you can just, if you still have a question, you could just leave a question wherever I can see it and I can answer you, and that's free. All right, well, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video.